guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. We have our new Wing Wednesday segment for you here today. We're going to do some honey sriracha wings. I'm excited to give this a try. We're going to use a little cornstarch and a little of this Foodi chicken from Sweet Smokie Joe's. Got some lovely little party wings over here. So we're going to, I already added a little cornstarch in there, but I want another couple tablespoons just so we can get a nice dredge of crunchiness in there. Now we're going to add, I don't know, about a tablespoon of this Foodi chicken. I have my NuWave Brio air fryer heating up right now, doing a little preheating. So we're gonna mix this up. When we cook these wings, we are going to cook them for 8 minutes, flip them over, cook them for another 8 minutes, and then sauce them up. So just dredge it up as best you can. We're gonna cook them for a couple minutes, then lift the lid and add a little of this oil. I want to spray the oil on this dredge. It's gotten a couple minutes to set up. We're just gonna get these dredged up in the cornstarch and this Foodi chicken seasoning. We're gonna fit as many in here as possible. If we have to do it in shifts, we will. I only want one layer of chicken on in here. I don't want to stack them up. Once we get these heating up, I'm going to show you how we make honey sriracha sauce. We'll get the rest of these loaded up and we'll get it turned on. Guys, we got our chicken wings all loaded up in here. I did preheat this at 360 for 5 minutes. So let's get this closed down. We go 8 minutes. So we're going to do a temp. Let's go 375. 375 cook time. We'll do 8 minutes. But about 4 or 5 minutes into it, I'm going to spray it with some of this avocado oil, just so we can start getting that crispifying going on. And while we got this going, let me invite you guys to subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. But if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, join this wonderful crew of culinary artists that we are. Culinary artists, I like it. Culinary gangsters, that's what we are over here. Culinary gangster, I like that. You're gonna be a gang. You're gonna be a culinary gangster. You can join my gang. Let's get this going. The rest of the stuff we're gonna use for the sauce, we got a little organic honey, right? Got a little sriracha chili sauce, and we got 4 ounces of butter, salted butter. So we're going to melt the butter in the microwave just for 30 seconds or so. Add about a tablespoon of honey, add a tablespoon of sriracha, and I'm gonna use a little garlic salt too, a little garlic powder, not garlic salt, garlic powder. And we're gonna have a nice, wonderful glaze for these wonderful chicken wings. Okay guys, we melted our butter. We're gonna add a couple shakes of this garlic powder in there. I would just say like a half a teaspoon's worth. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of honey, make it nice and sweet, just like me, right, honey? And the same of the sriracha, about a tablespoon, and we mix. Sorry, we took that from Sam, the cooking guy. And we mix. It's gonna become a nice, lovely reddish. This is gonna be spicy, buttery, honey, garlicky, sriracha-y. That's a term. I don't know why you're shaking your head over there. Sriracha-y is a term. Sir, S-I-R-H at E. I think I win. Woohoo! I win. So we got our glaze ready to go. Looking pretty good. Put that aside. All right, let's take a look at these wings in here. We're gonna stop it. Now we're gonna give it a little spray with the avocado oil. When the 8 minutes is up and we flip these, we're gonna spray the other side of them. All right guys, so that 8 minutes is up. I flipped them back over. I'm gonna go 5 more minutes at 375, and then we're gonna sauce them with our wonderful honey sriracha sauce, and then we're gonna put them back in for another 5 minutes just to get that sauce kind of caramelized and cooked through. All right, team, we're done with that 5 minutes. Our wings are looking nice and done. We're gonna check the temp on them. All right, we want to see 165. Plenty done. Let's get these in this bowl. Get a little sauce on there. No comments from the peanut gallery. Hate it when my tripods give me problems. It is a personal problem. All right, so we're just gonna put a light little drizzle effect. All right, I made a little bit more of this sauce because I was gonna use all the wings, but some of them didn't fit, so we're not using all the sauce. Oh, it smells very sriracha-y. It's a word. Okay, now we're gonna get them back in to the air fryer just to get that sauce caramelized. The flats so they're turned up so they get the maximum heat from the air fryer. Now with the honey in here, it should make it crisp up really quickly. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. We're gonna make sure that we don't burn them. We just wanna caramelize, but we don't wanna burn temp. Cook time, 5 minutes. But we're gonna watch it, all right? Okay, let's take a look. We're done. Alright guys, we're all done. Got these gussied up for the thumbnail. They look pretty dang good to me. Ooh, look at that, it's hot, crispy. Looks pretty good, huh? Alright, let's try a bite. That's good. Got sweet, the heat, that sriracha isn't overpowering. The honey is good. I'd definitely give this a try. Very good, very good. Alright, the instructions and ingredients will be below. If you guys are looking to buy one of these NuWave Brio air fryers, the 10 quart, I'll have a link down below in the comments and below. This is awesome. I dug this. I'm gonna mac down on these right quick. So I appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.